Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss CH302 inorganic and organic chemistry. Okay, so in this we are discuss a third chapter, aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so first question, what is hydrocarbon? Okay, so compound in which only carbon and hydrogens are present. Okay, so this is the hydrocarbon. Okay, so they may be linear form, chain form, cyclic conjugated form. Okay, suppose example, methane molecule, ethane molecule, propane, butane. Okay, so this is the linear hydrocarbon. Okay, suppose cyclohexane. Okay, so this is the in cyclic form of hydrocarbon. Suppose benzene. Okay, so this is the cyclic conjugated plain hydrocarbon. Okay, so benzene is a aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, but methane, ethane, propane, cyclohexane, it is not aromatic hydrocarbon. Why? Because they are linear form. Cyclohexane is a ring form but not containing double bond. Okay, so benzene, it is a aromatic compound and we call a aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so what is the rules of aromatic hydrocarbon? Okay, suppose they may be planary in structure, they may in cyclic form, they may contain a double bond, alternative double bond, more conjugated double bond. Okay, and they follow a Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Okay, so this is the some rules of hydrocarbon. Okay, so here benzene is a hydrocarbon. Second, naphthalene, two benzene rings are fused together. Okay, so third is the anthracene, these three benzene ring fused together to form say anthracene. And then fourth is the phenanthrene. Okay, so anthracene and phenanthrene is the same, but ring fuse ring arrangement is different. Okay, so now so many scientists propose a structure of benzene. Kekules proposed 1865. Other scientists also propose, but they not acceptable. Okay, so these different structures of C6H5 hydrocarbon. Okay, so Kekules propose a C6H5 is a benzene and its structure like cyclohexanol in present a 3 double bond. Okay, and they are aromatic in nature. So now we are discuss here carbon carbon bond length in benzene. Okay, so in benzene, carbon connected with carbon, carbon connected with carbon and in cyclic form, then carbon hydrogen. Okay, so in this benzene ring containing 3 pi bonds and 3 sigma bond in carbon carbon. Okay, so sigma bond also present in carbon hydrogen, means compound containing 6 hydrogen, 6 carbon and 3 double bond. Okay, so here I am representing pi bond. Okay, pi bond, it is a double bond. Okay, and another is the 3 sigma bond. Pi bond and sigma bond is a different bond length. Okay, so pi bond is higher bond length and sigma bond is higher length and than pi bond. Okay, so but in hybrid structure these three bonds are delocalized, not unstable. At that time these all bonds are in cyclic form. All bonds are equal length. Carbon carbon is 1.39 angstrom bond length and carbon hydrogen is 1.1 angstrom. Okay, so this is the second structure, is the hybrid structure, and these benzene represent like three structure: first, second and third. Both structures are correct. Okay, but first one is the hybrid, three double bonds are in cyclic form and is most stable structure. Second and third is the also correct structure and they are cyclic in form. Okay, so first, second and third is alternative bond, they are shifting together. Okay, so next here IUPAC nomenclature of benzene. Okay, so in this nomenclature we call, first we use a prefix and then followed by we use a benzene. Okay, so first suppose benzene attach or benzene substituent attach chlorine group. Okay, so chlorine is a prefix and followed by benzene, means chlorobenzene. If attach benzene ring attach with bromine, bromine is a prefix, bromobenzene. Iodine attach in benzene or iodine substituted benzene is called a iodobenzene. Suppose benzene attach with nitrogen group, NO2 group, we call a nitrobenzene. Chloro, fluoro, bromo, it is a prefix and we call after call benzene. Okay, so other hand we call a special name. Suppose benzene attach with methyl group, benzene substituent present methyl group such as methyl benzene and we call a common name such as toluene. Suppose benzene attach with aniline. Okay, so amine group, so we call a aminobenzene and its common name is aniline. Third one is the benzene attached with hydroxy group. Hydroxy, it is a prefix, hydroxybenzene. Okay, and we call a phenol, that is a common name. Okay, special name phenol, hydroxybenzene. Second is the benzoic acid, acidic groups attached with benzene. Third is the benzene sulfonic acid, means sulfo, SO3H groups attached with benzene. Okay, so this is the some common name. Okay, so another name is the relative positions should be mentioned. Okay, suppose benzene attached with more than 2 or attached with 2 or 3 groups substituent. Okay, suppose here 2 bromine groups attached with benzene. Okay, so at that time we call a its position where it attach. Okay, first and second, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, there are different positions. Suppose bromine attach with nearest carbon, they may be ortho. Okay, third position meta. If they attach in fourth position, it is a para. Okay, suppose two benzene ring, suppose two bromine atoms attach in benzene, first nearest carbon atom at that time we call a orthodibromo benzene. O is a ortho position, it mentions position. Second is the metabromobenzene, means bromine attached with meta position, means meta dibromobenzene. Next is the para position, bromine attached with para position, and we call a para dibromobenzene. So another example, suppose two halo groups, two halogen groups, two halide groups are attached with benzene, but they are different. Okay, so they neither is the group that gives special name to the molecule. We call a specially name of this group successively and then ending benzene. Suppose benzene attached with two different halogens such as iodine and bromine. Okay, in this iodine and benzene, iodine and bromine, we call this bromine is attached with para position. Okay, so we call a para bromo iodobenzene. Why first we call a bromo? Because alphabetically first B followed by I. So first we called a para bromo iodobenzene. Second example, benzene ring attached with chlorine and nitro group, NO2. So these chlorine attached with third position, means meta position. Okay, so we call a metachloronitrobenzene. Alphabetically chlorine C is first followed by N in nitro. Okay, so metachlorobenzene. Third one, sulfonic acid, in which chlorine is the fourth position, means para position, and it called parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, similarly nitro and methyl groups present. Okay, so at that time we called a common name orthonitrotoluene. CH3 groups attached with benzene we call a toluene, but these toluene attach second position or ortho position nitro group to call a orthonitrotoluene. Second is the bromine and hydroxy groups attached with benzene. Bromine attached with para position, so we call a para bromophenol. Benzene attached with hydroxy groups we call a phenol. Okay, so but these phenol para position attached with bromine, so we call a para bromophenol. Okay, similarly other. Okay, so if more than two groups are attached to benzene ring, the numbers are used to indicate their relative position. Okay, suppose these benzene ring attach 3 halogen group or 3 bromo group. Okay, then at that time we call its position. Okay, first, second and fourth position bromine attached, so that's why we call a 1, 2, 4 tribromophenol. Here different groups attached, hydroxy, chlorine and nitro group. Okay, so chlorine alphabetically first, then nitro, and phenolic its common name. Okay, so we call 2 chloro 4 nitro phenol. Similarly, third one, 3-bromo 5-chloro nitrobenzene. Bromine groups attach third position and chlorine group attach fifth position according to nitro group. Okay, so 3-bromo 5-chloro nitrobenzene. Okay, similarly 2,4,6-trichloroaniline, because NH2 benzene, its common name is aniline, and 3-chlorine 2,4,6-trichloroaniline. Similarly, here toluene groups, benzene attached with methyl group, at that time we call it toluene, and its two position nitro groups attached. Okay, so 2,6-dinitrotoluene. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name and common name. First we use a prefix and then its common name. Okay, so now we are discuss preparation of benzene. Preparation of benzene from phenol. Okay, phenol means hydroxy groups attached with benzene ring. Okay, so phenol reacts with zinc metal, presence of heat, to form say benzene and zinc oxide. Oxidation reaction. First, hydroxy groups interacts with zinc and they oxidize to form say benzene and zinc oxide. So another preparation for decarboxylation. Decarboxylation, it means CO2 groups release. Okay, so here example, sodium benzoate, benzene ring attached with benzoate, COONA, sodium benzoate. Okay, suppose this sodium benzoate reacts with sodium hydroxide alkaline in presence of calcium oxide, and they heat to form say benzene and sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Okay, so this is the mechanism. These sodium benzoate hydroxy group attach on carbonyl group to form say carbolic acid, sodium carbolic acid, sodium bicarbonate, and then this forms a benzene and carbonate. First phenol formation and then, sorry, here some mistake, not phenoxyion. Next is the formation of acetylene. Form acetylene molecule when acetylene, 3 acetylene molecule cyclize to form say benzene and sodium carbonate. Okay, so acetylene is heated with red hot tube at 373 Kelvin degree temperature. In red hot tube, these cyclize, acetylene cyclize to form say benzene. Okay, fourth is the from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid when benzene sulfonic acid is superheated in presence of steam to form say benzene and sulfuric acid. Steam present hydrogen. Okay, so these abstract sulfo group to form say sulfuric acid and release benzene. Okay, so next is the reaction of on benzene. Benzene contain different types of reactions are possible. First we are discuss a electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so in benzene, so many electrophilic reactions are occurs, such as nitration, it is a electrophilic reaction. Then halogenation, sulfonation, these different types of reactions are occurs in electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so the electrophile E plus, electron deficient species, and benzene is a electron rich species. So this benzene, it reacts with electrophile, electron deficient, to form a pi complex. Okay, so this first forms a pi complex, and then these pi complex release proton. First, sigma bond interaction with electrophile to form a sigma complex, here represent second example, and this proton is eliminated to form a sigma bond, and electrophile substitution means substitute on the benzene and release H plus. Okay, so electrophile E plus, they may be sulfonation reaction, nitration reaction, halogenation reaction. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so in sulfonation reaction, sulfo groups substitute on benzene. In nitration reaction, NO2 group, nitrate group substituted on benzene. In halogenation, halide groups, Cl, bromine, iodine, fluorine groups substituted on benzene. Okay, so first nitration reaction. Here benzene reacts with HNO3 and H2SO4 at 35 to 40 degree centigrade to form a nitrobenzene. Okay, so in this reaction HNO3 and H2SO4 to form a electrophile NO2 E plus. Okay, this is the electron deficient species, and benzene is a electron rich species. So benzene reacts on this NO2 to form a nitrobenzene. Okay, so next lecture we are discuss on both reactions, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation with mechanism. Okay, so now we are stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.